Hello and welcome to E major scale. So far we have done C, G, D, A, and E. You should be already getting familiar with how to play the scales, the fingerings, and everything. So let's begin with E. We put our thumb on E, our first finger on E, and we go, as you already know, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to play the E scale, and then we're going to build it together. Okay, the way how the E scale is built, which is all the major scales, which is whole tone, half tone, whole tone, half tone. So 2 whole tones and a half tone, then 3 whole tones and a half tone. So in this case, it's going to be whole tone, half tone, whole tone, half tone. And when we go down, half tone, whole tone, half tone, whole tone. So the notes here are going to be E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. And when we go down, E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, and E. So, once you already know the notes, now we're going to play up and down 1 octave with one hand. So where you switch with the thumb is when you play 1, 2, 3 after G sharp into A. That's where your thumb goes, and then when you go back down, that's where your thumb switches to the middle finger to the 3rd finger again, and back down. So once you practice 1 octave until you can figure out which notes are which, there's going to be 4 sharps. Since C has 0, G has 1, D has 2, A has 3, and E will have 4, which are these 4 right here. Everything but A sharp. So let's move it up to 2 octaves. Our 4th finger, this is where the 2 octave chord comes in. Our 4th finger plays on right here, D sharp. When we play D sharp, then we move our thumb or first finger to E, just like that. And then when we end it up here, we go 4th, 5th, just like that. So let's play it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You already know the formula. You already know how the fingers work. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we go down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So let's go up and down 2 octaves, E major scale with the right hand. And down. There we go. So practice going up and down with the right hand until you can go up 2 octaves and until your right hand knows it pretty well. You can feel free to pause the video, and I can recommend you to do that if you do not know the scale. So now let's move on to the left hand and play the exact same notes. So we're going to start with E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. And we go down E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. If you find me going too fast, sorry for that, but I want to try to get these videos as short as possible because there's a lot of content that we have to go through. So practice left hand 1 octave again. And down. Very good. Once 1 octave is comfortable with the left hand, then we move on to 2 octaves playing with the left hand. So from this E to this E and back down. So our 4th finger is going to be on the 2nd note of the scale, which is F sharp. So we're going to play F sharp here with our 4th finger and only F sharp here with our 4th finger. And that is it. And now we go down, and our 4th finger plays on F sharp, like always. So the fingerings are going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Let's play it together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And we go down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Once you got the left hand down and the right hand down pretty well, now we're going to combine the hands and play both hands E major scale. So we go 1, 2, 3, and we move our first finger on A. And then when we play the fourth finger on right hand, we move our thumb over, play E, and then our fourth finger goes on F sharp, thumb again on A, and then third finger left hand on C sharp. And then we end it. Now we go down. Thumb goes left hand on B, third finger on G sharp, then first finger left hand E, fourth finger right hand D sharp, thumb again on B, third finger on G sharp. I know a lot of transferring or everything. If you already done C, G, D, and A, this scale you should already be familiar how to change the when you change the fingering. You should be already familiar with that, but I'll just show it again. Now I'm going to play 2 octaves up and down. You can take a look at it, and I advise you to pause the video if you cannot do this just yet. Excellent. That was 2 octaves E major. Now, once you could actually play 2 octaves fairly good, now we're going to go for 4 octaves, 25 times skipping, and 25 times straight. So, here's 25 times skipping. Once you've played it 25 times skipping, now we're going to play it 25 times straight, 4 octaves up and down the piano. That was the E major scale. We have come to the end of this video, and now we know how to play E up and down fairly well. Now we're going to move on to the next video, which is B.